Ready. And 2 2 stand. Here! Ready. Single punch. Mic down. Nice and loud. You guys are all level 3 and black belts. Level 3 and black belts. So you guys should blow the roof off this place. Okay? Single punch. Right hand. For those of you that don't know. Right hand. Okay? Ready. No! 3! Not too bad. Okay? And since you guys are black belts level 3, okay? You guys do it again. You gotta do it back. 1, go. Nice and loud. Okay? Triple punch. 5, 1, go. Ready. No! Ready, and everyone is up. And if you've taken class with me, you know everyone. A little deeper, please. Let's go. I want to see tabletops. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Everyone should